Hi, this is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and today we're going to learn how to make corn muffins, and something we like at our house. Goes good with southern vegetables. I'm going to put all my liquids in one receptacle. This is buttermilk, and that is 1.5 cups of buttermilk. And this is 1/4 stick of butter. And then we have 2 eggs. And usually I have my dad's farm eggs, but today I have grocery store eggs. And you want to beat those up just a little bit. And then add them to your wet ingredients. And then you've got your dry. And for your dry, you have 1.5 cups of white cornmeal, 1/2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then we have baking soda and baking powder, and it's 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I get the two confused every single time as much as I've been cooking. I don't know why I can't get it straight. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And you want to mix your dry ingredients around just a little bit. And then you want to add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. And then, as you can probably see, I've got another half stick of butter there. I'm going to finish mixing up my wet ingredients. Pour it in. I've put butter in my muffin tin and I've let it get really hot. You can probably hear it popping. And then I'm going to fill my muffin tin with my cornmeal mixture. And you don't want to overfill these because they will just make a big flopping mess. And I'm filling them probably about 3/4 of the way full. And then I'm going to put them back in the oven. And I'm going to bake them about 15-20 minutes at 375 till they get golden brown and crunchy on the outside. We've pulled our corn muffins out of the oven, and I think they cooked about 20 minutes. And one thing I like to do with corn muffins is put them in the oven at maybe 350 and then raise the temperature a little bit, and that continues to make them loft instead of rise and then fall back over. So these turned out pretty good. I hope you enjoy this recipe. This is Angie from Angie's Southern Kitchen, and you just learned how to make corn muffins.